Ow, 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 stop it, I love you. Ow, stop hitting me. Ow, ow. That's what it feels like. Objections, right? You're working with somebody and you think you've got a good deal on your hands. You think that things are going awesome. And then they hit you with objections, okay? I get it. I'm with you. In some cases, it's unavoidable, but most of the time, we don't help ourselves the way we could. So I want to just talk to you really quick, right out of your Easton University portal. Look, my art is terrible. I did arrows and dollar signs. Step 6. Step 6 will make you money. Step 6 will change your life. Step 6 will make your job a lot more fun. What the hell is step 6 for those of you that don't know? In the 8 steps for handling objections, right? We're going to treat every objection as a complaint. We're going to be careful. We're going to be smooth. We're going to move forward. We're going to agree with them. If they still complain or have an objection, we're going to ask them for their thoughts. If they don't have any thoughts, friends, we're going to show commitment to a solution. I'm sure we'll figure it out. Not the first time I've dealt with this. And then we're going to give them a solution. We're going to help them. And the solution that we're going to give is not lowering our price. But what if they still say, I don't like the fact that this house only has 2 garage spaces. I don't like the fact that your app doesn't have a particular user interface. I don't like the fact that it's green or blue, or that your rate is 6% and not 4%. If they still have that objection, remember step 6, okay? It's not step 1, it's step 6. But remember step 6. Hey, Justin, I just want to make sure that I'm clear on something. Is the fact that this house does not have 3 parking spots in the garage, is that stopping you from putting in an offer? Hey, Kim, I just want to make sure that I'm clear on something. Is the fact that we don't have the ability for you to do push reports, is that stopping you from getting your people access to the application? We are asking them, we are saying, hey, I just want to make sure that I am clear. Is the fact that we don't have blank, or the product doesn't have blank, or the solution can't do blank, is that stopping you from blank, putting in the order, getting it in front of their people, and hopefully you know the outcome, so you can have a house in Boca, so you can get your people to be able to file reports online, so you can, whatever it is the outcome that they're looking to do. You guys are going to be shocked when you remember this. When you check in with them and say, hey, I just want to be clear on something. Is the fact that we don't have blank, is that stopping you from doing it? And how many people are going to go, no, but I don't like it. I wish your rate was 4%, not 6. Totally understand. Congratulations, you made a great decision. Look forward to getting this house sold for you. Most of the time, much of the time, at the very least some of the time, just because somebody has an objection, it does not mean they're not going to do the thing you want them to do. And unfortunately, old school stupid ass sales coaching has us in a position where we think we need to overcome that objection, and they either need to tap out or get knocked out on their objection in order for us to feel like we've won and get the business. That's not the case. Make sure that midway through you're checking in with them. They've already bang, 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 bang. They've hit you with their objection. Hey, I just want to make sure that I'm clear. Is the fact that we don't have R246 compliance right now, is that stopping you from doing business with us? Right? If they say yes, is that the only thing that's stopping you? Yeah, that's the only thing. Right? And then remember, you're all things being equal. Guys, you're getting beat up. I get it. But if we're not checking in with them and seeing that if they're going to do the thing we want them to do regardless, we're beating ourselves up. Does that make sense, guys? Does that resonate with some of you? Who's tried this and had it work? If you work in sales and you need to make twice as much money as you do right now to really enjoy your life, you've really only got 3 options. Option number 1, you can continue to work your butt off in the job you have right now, hoping for some sort of miracle to happen, where you start taking home double the money while doing things the exact same way you do them right now. That's pretty unlikely. Or option number 2, you can look for another job at a totally different company, hoping you're going to catch some sort of once-in-a-lifetime wave where sales just seem to flow your way. All right, again, highly unlikely, and we both know waves in sales, well, they don't last very long. Or option number 3, you can click the button here and get instant access to a simple, straightforward sales process that will help you take home twice as much money as you do right now while putting in far less effort than you do today. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you click the button, you're going to see how our interactive sales coaching portal and weekly live coaching sessions with me will help you double your income within 60 days. Easton University is more than an interactive sales coaching portal. It's more than being able to ask me questions in a live setting every single week. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the button. I will see you on the other side. Your life is about to get a lot better. Click through now.